Look at this bull crap here. It is storming, baby. My flower! My flower's trying. She tried. What the hell is he doing over there? Trey is fixing a car in the damn rain. Girl, it is fucking storming. Let me put my stuff right here. Torn down. Raining. And they over there fixing the car. They got a tent and everything. Girl, get back in the house. Y'all want some of this water?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
I'm using for the clean the couch and I'm use this odor band to actually just get odors just in case some on the couch, since you sit on the couch so damn much. It's got disinfectant spray, was a disinfectant spray as well as an air freshener too at the same time. Got it from Walmart. These pillows too, pillow covers that I didn't show you guys, so I don't know if I want to put one of these on there. I don't know if it's gonna be too much. I'm gonna try it out and see, but I have these are from Home Goods. I pretty much match these here. Like, these are a very popular piece when they first came out. Yeah, I saw about TV in the background, girl. I'm watching Ready to Love. And then I have these here from which I need to wash them though. These are from Hobby Lobby. They probably have these again, Gather and Harvest. I don't know yet.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. We don't really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that I was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Fronting like you know, it got me gone. You're only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, and you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's all that hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say I love it, I was not the same? How you gonna
here?
I was like, what was that noise? That was the wind, but was
It's a wet packer on the window.
That's another one.
Oh, wow.
I did what needed to be done. If money didn't control you in your life, you could have done the right thing. But now, money controls
Oh,
everything.
There's a bunch of them out there.
you better not crack that window.
Right, that's all.
Just
Look
scare
at
it
'em.
away.
They on the tree now. Thank you for getting on the tree. Oh, it's a bunch of them too.
What
3.
happened to the woman that I fell in love with? What happened to her?
There's 3 of them. Where they come from?
She has little pieces of her on
It
her
done started raining.
fingers.
Oh, wow.
What?
Oh, wow.
When you find Jay.
All right, Queens and Kings. So we're going to pretty much start here for the tour of the living room. So, of course, I put the TV on with the fireplaces. I don't have mines anymore, and just bring out some of the aesthetics. Now, up here on top of my dresser, you see I have pretty much like a symmetric look going on up here, and I'm okay with this. You see, I had this up there at first, but I changed it around. Something about it just was just too much. I don't know. I'm still playing around with it though, but right now this is what I have. These are the most punkies I got besides in the dining room, but I'm liking this little setup. I'm still trying to figure out how to hide the cords, because this one here is shorter, so that's why it's going like that. But as of right now, it's not bothering me. So over here, the setup over here is not completely done, because I actually want to put canvases over there and do something else to my mirror as well. But as of right now, this is what we have going on over here, and I just love the little sitting area. I love how it's pulled the colors and shades from the dining room to over here, and I'm loving that. So yeah, so what I got on top of here, pretty much I have this basket I end up putting over here that it got the candy and stuff in. You know, this little napkin holder, tissue holder, I mean, that came from Amazon. The tray here, this round tray, came from Amazon. This is basically me bouncing the round table circles over here to break up some of the squares and everything that I have going on, which is why I have that round table there over there as well. But yeah, so the bust is from Amazon. This is from Z Gallery. This is actually a bank. This is some little small miniature dominoes here that Andre got from his school. Over here, all the pillow covers came from Amazon. I will leave my Amazon storefront down below so you guys can actually check it out if you want to get anything or just browse or whatever the case may be. So I will leave everything down below. But yeah, my chairs are from Target.com. This ottoman here is from DD's. It's a storage ottoman since I stay in the 2-bedroom, so I needed something, you know, I need some storage. So that's pretty much what that does help for. This table here is a DIY table that I made. I have it on my DIY channel. You guys can check it out if you have not. My DIY channel is to the new ones here. So I will link that down below as well. But on top of it, I just have this candle, this vase here. It actually came from Z Gallery. I don't spray paint it. It was like that cerulean teal that famous for Z Gallery or whatever. That it was that color, but I spray painted it gold. That smaller vase there, I want to say that one came from Z Gallery too. I had a big one as well, but you guys know I broke that one there. And all the books and everything came from Z Gallery. And the frames came from Ross or something like that. And that candle holder came from Home Goods. So this is pretty much how the seating area look. In a room, what we have pretty much done here. So yeah. Now I know I have a lot of fur going on right now. It's just because I didn't want to put it up. I really didn't want to put it up. So don't judge me on it. But anyways, I have a couple throws, a couple of them thrown on my bed or on the sectional. The sectional. Don't get it twisted, baby. It's a whole sectional. All right. I turned this 2-bedroom to a 3-bedroom. But yeah, so I have this I pretty much styled it with the pillows. I wasn't sure how I was gonna do this because I did have like the Gather and the Harvest pillow, one on each side like I showed you guys, but as I went on, I want to change. You guys know I always make some changes after the fact and stuff like that. So I just have just a collage of pillows just going on to go along my sectional. So these pillows here, a couple of you guys asked about it. I will link them down below. I apologize that I didn't, but if you just check the storefront, you would have seen it. You'd have seen it. But of course, all these pillows are from, pillow covers are from Amazon. These here are actually DIYs. Those are DIYs. And I told you guys this gathered pillow is from, where I told you that from? Hobby Lobby? Yes. So, and what I did back here, I just add those two pumpkins back there, as well as those little DIY Z Gallery little dupes bars back there. So it's pretty much how this area look. And for my coffee table, not too much going on. I just can't get rid of the idea of having this round tray with the candle holders in a vase. It's just something to do something for me. But what I do have in it is I just put this little sign that I got from Dollar Tree. Autumn leaves, pumpkin, please. And I decided to keep the bus over here, which I told you I was gonna switch it out because it was over there in the dining room, but I didn't. And then here I just decided to use this like for a placeholder or whatever, but you see I have it in kings because the Lord is gonna heal me, and I truly believe that. Amen, amen. And I just have this other candle here, and I just started with my, what are these, Ming boxes? These boxes came from Z Gallery because I had the other smaller one on top of the dresser over there. Yeah, those are from Z Gallery. These little picture holders are from Home Goods or something like that. Something like that. But yeah, this bus is from, where I got this bus from, y'all? Where did I get that bus from? I think Home Goods. I believe something like that. I believe something like that. One of you queens did asked about this tiara here, this crown. I will leave that link down below too as well. So yeah, and these crystal candle holders came from Favorite Mark. The gold tray from Target. The basket there up under there is from Target as well. So all right, queens and kings, that is pretty much it for my fall decoration. Girl, look at the fireplace burning, honey. They got the nerves to have the side effects. Girl, play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. But yeah, queens and kings, so that's pretty much just gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye bye, queens and kings. You guys continue to be royal.